just chatting with me about this morning was we're running.
So here we are in phase 2, the second pair of concrete parrots in Davinoff's concrete sculpture garden in February of 2020. The pair of parrots for the sanctuary is done. And now my friend Andy and I are in the process of mounting the 2 parrots on this particular tree, which is going to be located in the park. And this has about another week's worth of work, and then both parrots sculptures are done.